Alright, what's up everybody? This is DT. This is just a quick tutorial on how to put together your Westinghouse 3400 PSI 2.6 GPM. You can read it. And here's the owner's manual. Yep, I'm up early in the morning and I decided to go in and piece this together before I go to sleep. So here we go. I'll cut you back on. The first bag we have consists of this foot and this screw, lock nut. I've already installed it. There's a hole at the base, the front, at the base. Just simply stick the screw through the hole and tighten down the nut, and you will need a 13 wrench to use to tighten that down. All right, I'll cut you back on. The second bag consists of your nozzles. You have 5 nozzles in there. I've already installed them. It's pretty self-explanatory. The white goes there, green, yellow, and red, and the black for the soap goes right there. Pretty simple. Not too hard to do. Pretty simple. Oh, by the way, that bag also consisted of a cleaning pen to clean your nozzles. The pen stores right here, but I'm not going to keep mine there because I don't want to risk losing it, so I'm going to keep it elsewhere. But this is that little nozzle pen to clean your nozzles out. It's also included in that bag. Alright, the third bag. The third bag that I'm going to open has the upper gun holder and plastic rivet. This is the your trigger, your spray washer gun. Man, I know I screwed that all up, but anyway, this is the gun holder, and I'm gonna show you where that goes. Hold on. Alright, this is that location right here. That's the location where that the wand handle goes. You're gonna need a deep socket. You're gonna need a socket, a 10 deep socket, so it can fit over the bolt when you put it in. I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. Hold on. Okay, it fits like this. The seat of the wand handle is facing forward. You're gonna place it on like this, and that washer and bolt. It fit. Hold on, let me turn the light on. All right, there we go. That washer and that bolt is gonna fit in that top where the screw is sticking out. You're gonna screw that on right there, and on the bottom in that bag, it also came with plastic rib nut. Came with a plastic rib nut. I don't know if you can see that. That goes in that bottom hole right there. You're gonna pop that rib nut in there. I'll show you what it looks like in a minute. Hold on. Now, once you get it started with that deep socket, if you got sausage fingers, you're gonna have a little bit of a problem. But once you get started, it's real simple. Just take this and just screw it and tighten it down. Once you get that good and tight, using your what the fuck is it called? Goddamn hex wrench, whatever the fuck it's called. Anyway, after you get it tightened down, after using the 5/32, you're gonna take this two-piece rib nut, plastic rib nut. Take a 2-piece plastic rib nut. You're gonna stick the hollow end in here first. Oops, sorry about that. Stick that hollow end in there first. Like this. Shove it all the way in. Then you're gonna take this piece right here and just stick in there and lock it in place. There we go. That part is complete. Bring it back on. Alright, the next bag consists of the gun holder, M6 screw, and lock nut with 2 washers. That's the bag with the washers and the screw and the lock nut, and that is the hose handle right there. And I'm gonna show you where those installed. Turn it back on. Oh shit, I'm still recording. Anyway, this is the tip. This is the tip of the wand, right? This is the bottom. You pull that white tab off, that plastic cap, and then you screw it in there. Alright, let me take care of that. Alright, take note that there is grease at the ends of these holes for corrosion protection. So be careful when you screw them together. Alright, you take one end of the hose and screw it right there after you screw that plastic cap off. Both caps screw off counterclockwise, just like this. Real easy. Alright, end of this hose, the pressure washer hose, it screws in right here. So you have to unscrew this off, and remember, it's real greasy. So do your best. God damn. Let me cut you back on. Yeah, it comes out real easy. I'm right-handed, so I was struggling with my left. But yeah, it just slips on, slips off. And then put the other end of that hose right there. Screw it on right there. And that'll be the end of your installation. And tomorrow, well, today, when there's daylight out, I'll start it and let you see how it operates. All right, cut you back on. There it is. All right, how you doing? This is the second part of the video where I'm gonna show you how to start the power washer and how to use it. I wound up using the whole bottle to fill it up. The whole bottle of oil that came with the power washer. I wound up using the whole bottle to fill it up. And keep in mind, well, you know, you already know your water hose connection is there. Excuse me. Everything's already hooked up. Now this right here, keep in mind this cap, that's where you fill the oil up, but this cap is it's plastic and it's hard to start screwing it on. So you be careful, you don't want to strip it out. You know, that's your on and off switch right there. Turn it on right there, turn it off. Of course, pull to start. Right here, that's where you top it off with the gasoline, your fuel. Right here is your on and off switch. Right here, off. That's on position, off. It says so right there, you know, real easy to see. And your choke. You start it off with the choke on this position right here. And once you get it started, flip it over to the round position. I'm gonna put it there for now. I'm gonna put it on the on position, and I'm gonna go ahead and get it started. And let you see how the Westinghouse 3400 PSI. Let's just see how well it performs. Hold on. well, there you have it, folks. Did a pretty good job. I used a little outdoor cleaner that I got from the big box store to put in for soap, but it did a pretty good job. Real easy to use, and I'm happy with my purchase. So go ahead and go out and, when you're shopping for one for yourself, I recommend this brand. I mean, it's my first power washer, but I have no complaints about it. I like it, and we'll see how long it lasts and how well it do. Thank you for your time. Please like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.